Have you ever wondered how you can make over 100 grand without a college degree? It's actually not rocket science. The best companies are not looking for people that know the most. They're looking for people that can put into action what they know and also put their heart in what they do. You are going to be amazing at what you do if you simply care. At DryKings, we have designed a career path where you can start out with no experience, no college degree, and you can become a project manager within only 2 years. You could get promoted from one level to the next in as quickly as 4 months if all criteria are met. Our entry-level position is the technician in training. All we ask for is a valid driver's license, a clean driving record, and the ability to do the work, which is driving our company vehicles, setting up drying and dehumidification equipment, extracting water, operating moisture meters, and delivering a stellar customer experience. You will work directly under our project managers and have a designated trainer that can teach you everything you need to know. In our DryKings Video Training School, you will have access to online training resources. Then there are 2 more technician levels that you can obtain. If you gain more expertise in the field, you overtake more responsibility on the job site, and you pass industry certifications that DryKings pays for. A technician level 1 is proficient in performing water and fire damage restoration work. A technician level 2 can run smaller jobs by themselves or overtake responsibility for phases of the work on medium or larger jobs. We have 3 lead technician levels. At that point, it's really all about how big of a project you can manage, how many people you can manage, and also your ability to onboard customers. And from there are again 3 project manager levels that you can get promoted to if you're able to manage multiple projects at the same time in an efficient manner. The restoration sphere offers amazing opportunities for personal and for professional development. If that's what you're looking for, then don't hesitate and contact us today.